Good day, everyone, and welcome to Elite Currency webinar. Quick trading ideas. Sorry. Before I start, have in mind that forex trading carries a high level of risk, which is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourself so there is a social forex market before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. And we are there, guys. Euro dollar, I am long. I have a long position in the euro dollar. And my expectation is that euro dollar might be effectively going up if the market continues above 1320. 1320. So basically, I based my expectations on strong weekly close. Weekly was very, very bullish. Daily candle was also very, very bullish. And basically, this was just a retracement on daily time frame, as you can see. So weekly was bullish. Okay, very bullish. Daily, because of the NAP retraced towards this level. This is support. 1 hour retrace down towards support. Market exiting oversold zone. This is pure price action. Template and 10 template, which I use for my mostly now discretionary trades. So here it is. If the market stays above this level, it will go up, and above 1320 we might be seeing a move towards 1353, 1380. So let's see. I'm still here bullish. GBP dollar is bullish. I closed today one trade that I had, and basically it was my Camarilla MACD E8 trade. It was a nice trade, 28 or 30. I don't remember. Maybe even more, something around 35 pips. It was a good one, and I think that GBP dollar is bullish, and I might be buying again if the market drops. But let's see. Regarding gold, guys, gold is bearish. I'm going to probably sell gold if it comes a little bit higher. So here I will show you my potential gold expectations is that it's going to sell around 17 here. I would like to see this level, and then I might be selling. I think this level is good. We will have also, I think, Fibonacci number here. Yes, it's 61.8. So this level, shooting star around this level would be nice to see. And I might be selling also as a discretionary trade. Other than this, guys, be careful. Market is dropping. I also see New Zealand dollar CAD potential short trades. I have a New Zealand dollar CAD shorts. But as I say, I have two short positions here. Daily candle is bearish shooting star, so we should see retracement. I'm trading retracement here towards these levels. For full trading ideas, be sure to visit our website. It's elitecurrency.com. Sign up, of course, for our services, and also have in mind that we have a lot of different offers, guys. Also here, if you check our website, I will show you right now. Here we see, you will see a lot of services, Forex and CFD services, and you can sign up for live services. You can purchase Camarilla MACD products. Live service is always giving you the exact entries, risk, stop loss, and trade management. Okay, and you can also sign up for Ultima. It's our Chris and Mislav creation. It's excellent expert advisor, and you can always, guys, learn more if you sign up for this. Also, don't forget to check other services. If you sign up with KTM, you will get the best conditions for expert advisor that we offer, so key to markets. Okay, so guys, this is it. I don't see anything else except euro dollar longs. I see New Zealand dollar CAD short, GBP dollar long, and of course, what I'm going to do is if euro yen drops towards 121 zone, I'm going to buy it, but I'm not sure that it will drop. Eventually, guys, watch for bullish candlestick close above 192.90 for continuation up also in the euro yen. So these are my expectations. I hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon. Okay, cheers, and as always, trade safe.